melting ice. It's nice to be on this side of things. When you
Hi there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be giving you some simple and so beautiful DIY ideas that are so easy to make. So let's get started. The very first DIY is this stay cute garland. So for this one you will just need the white sheet or white paper. Then what you have to do is just fold the paper like I am doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, you can see. So the motive of doing that is we have to make the 8 rectangle maybe, and then we have to write just the code we want like this. I wrote stay cute because yes, you should stay cute, so like this. And then I used the bold marker to like make it pop more. Using a scissor, cut all the alphabets, and then just you will need a piece of string a little bit longer than you actually need it, and use a tape to attach the string to the back of the letters. And one more thing, remember to put these in reverse order, so when you flip it around the word read in the same direction, I mean in the right direction. I did that mistake, so yeah, I'm telling you this. Then you can hang it anywhere you want just using a tape. It is super easy to make and it looks good. So yeah, so my next DIY is book page decor. So for this one, all you need is an old book that you're not gonna read, and then just choose a paper that you wanna use for this DIY. Then grab some colors. I used blue color here, but you can use any color you want. Also, I have never painted on the like old book pages or so finally I gave it a try. And then after it dries, using any color pen, you can write your favorite quote. I write find yourself and be that. You can write anything, you can be so creative. I wanted it to be simple, so I let it be this way, but you can do a lot to a single page. Then just using a tape, attach it to your wall, and that's it for this DIY. So the very last DIY is this constellation painting. So for this one you will need a black sheet and the white gel pen, or you can use white paint color too to make or draw the constellations. Then all you have to do is draw your constellations. I use a reference picture for this. That's how I drew some real constellations. And I love the stars and constellation, the moon. I love the black and white thing or space kind of thing. That's why this is my favorite DIY. Don't worry, you will not mess it up. Just add some dots, stars wherever you want. Just fill in these spaces. You can add moon too. I added moon too because me and moon can never be apart. Yes, so you can do whatever you want to do with it, because the white and black never goes wrong. Then again use a tape to like attach it to the wall. So yeah, that's it for this DIY video. I hope you guys like it. So